The Gila woodpecker is a pretty solitary bird. It kind of stays around the Gulf of California and Central America a lot. And they take a saguaro cactus and they basically just bore a hole into it like other woodpeckers do. And they basically use the insects and berries and nuts around the cactus to kind of feed on. But the interesting thing is, because of the way that they are, they leave their holes for other birds to kind of like sit in. So they're oftentimes used by owls and flycatchers to for their own nests after the breeding season is over.